looking at real world situations. It's fun, it's different. How much can they learn? How do they learn to work with each other and process something on their own?
So he has like dummies and he makes like fake blood, and we go and we set up markers and stuff, and we, analyze the crime scene, draw it, figure out what would happen, and then we go back and we, try and solve the crime. It's like something to look forward to.
Because it's very hands-on and I have a lot of friends in the class, it makes me want to come to class, and it's much easier to get everything done as well.
In the beginning of this year, he got dead chickens, and then we let them sit out there and we saw like how the decomposition process worked.
It's disgusting, but very engaging to see the process.
Yeah, it's very interesting to find new things, learn more, look at something new.
Seeing smiles, seeing them learn, and a few of them have said, oh, I need to go into psychology. One that graduated last year, she's doing criminal justice and forensic science at UNR, and was talking to me about how some of the stuff I did in here has carried over into there. So that made me feel I'm doing something right.